Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna say this real quick. If you guys didn't see my last video, I would go check that one out. Okay? I would go check that out because I'm gonna be talking about that in here. Okay, so you know my last video probably saw me doing this, that, whatever I do, you know. Okay, and I just wanted to say, yeah, like, if you guys didn't see my last video, I would go check that out. Okay? Okay. So, if you guys have never heard of this YouTube channel and like, Bobby, what do you do for a living? I do baseball now. I live right across a street from a park. And I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I'm a YouTuber. You guys probably know that. Okay, so I'm gonna take a quick. Okay, so I've played this game before. I've done a lot of things in this game, but they had to update it because if you jump across the ocean, and if you jump in the ocean, you die. You jump, you fall, whatever. Yeah. Okay, so probably saw my last video or something. If you didn't see that, I would say to go check that out 3 times. So, no. I started to do that, but then I was like, what if I just like create my, what if I just create my cousin's house? I said, oh, that's actually a good, pretty idea. Good job, Mind. And you probably didn't see that. Yeah, you couldn't see that in my last video. Oh my. Infection? Infection! I really want it to be infection. Infection? Oh, don't get me, buddy. Get someone else. Someone has a gun. I'm terrified. Okay. I have the orange key. Okay, so is it infection. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I am a YouTuber. You guys should probably know that. Hello. How you doing? I want no problems. What the heck are you doing? What? You can be free, buddy. Be free. Yep, no, that's a wall. Okay, holy moly! What has he done? You guys are dumb. You guys are truly dumb. I guess Foxy's the second dumbest person. Hey, I actually want to know if it's infection. I'm gonna be right here if anyone needs me. What are you doing? Who has sorry guys. Who has wrench? Literally no one has the wrench. Someone shoot Piggy. He deserves to die. Piggy's camping. He deserves to die. Everyone deserves to die. Except me. I don't deserve to die. Put it in. Who? Come back. Come. Use it. Rhea. Okay. You have to use the water gun. Who has it? You're just fighting whoever gets the water gun. They're fighting. Ooh, popcorn. Get your free popcorn. Help. Danny. That thing's going right through my chest.
Huh?
That thing's going right through my chest. That's Danny. That's my brother Danny. He has his own YouTube channel. Who has the water gun?
How long have you been recording?
7 minutes.
Huh?
7 minutes.
10 minutes?
7!
Oh!
Can you not see right there, dude?
Where?
7 minutes.
No, I'm blind.
Yeah, Danny's blind somehow. It's these. Yeah. I hate that girl. She was just waiting. But good luck. Wait, where did Clowny come from? Does Clowny just appear? Out of nowhere? Use it. First one to win. Where's the IP? I'm here. Who are you? Okay. Zizzy, are they infected? Pony, they don't talk. Yes, stupid pony. Stupid pony. Should I buy the grandma? Oh, I should actually buy it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna quit. Oh yeah, guys. Boom, mousy baby. Okay. Okay, I joined a new game. Okay. I'm trying to join a new game. See you then. Okay. Okay, is this infection? Haha. Can't even get you. Who's in here? It's not a trader. It's a player. Okay, I joined a new game. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, city, baby. City, baby. City. City. Yeah, the city, baby. Oh shoot, I'm not. Infection. It's not infection. Good. I'm back. You guys won't be able to see us. Oh, which one did I pick?
Abby,
What?
Isaac's here.
Okay. Okay, so my friend's here.
Get off your stuff and
Okay, so my friend Isaac's here. I'm doing a YouTube video. My mom doesn't know I'm doing a YouTube video. She has honestly no clue. Okay, so you guys have to guess what skin am I? School is an infection? I don't know. I just love how you could just see them. Alright, guys. We must. Yeah, well, guess what? I can't. There's no way I'm gonna find the sewers. With me, not even. I think it was glitching for a second. Okay, I think. Help! I think it's glitching. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it off here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it off here. Never mind. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to leave it off there. Okay, you guys will see what skin I was. I was soldier. See you in the next vlog. See ya in the next video. See you later. I said it like 5 times. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Forgot to hit public. I'll see you in the next vlog.